in the room like who that? I play with these words, I do that. Damn. They say I'm driving them crazy. I'm the shit, but you already.
What's up, guys and gems? I know I haven't picked up this camera in a while. I'm about to start doing weekly vlogs and just put whatever I got is whatever it is, you know? So right now I'm actually leaving my best friend's house. I needed this. Oh my God, he is fun. Let me get out of here anyway. I just left my best friend's house and I needed to get away for, a day from home. And before we do anything, where the hell is my Uber? I can't order another one because I'm running out of money. But where did he go? Give me 1 second. Oh, there it is. Anyway, I am revamping my channel. And when I get home, I will break down exactly what I'm doing. And then the different things I'm doing. Because y'all, I'm about to elevate. And I really am taking this YouTube and social media stuff seriously. An influencer. And I can't do it, if I'm all over the place. So I'll talk to y'all when I get in my house. Hey y'all, so I'm back. About to cook. And I really wanted to make shrimp fried rice, but I'm broke. It's okay. I get paid Friday. But I found that I have some shrimp, but it's the colossal ones. And I have some spinach and some pasta. Oh, 2 pastas. So I got enough to make 2. I got really excited. That's pasta and rice. So it's a butter and herb. And then I just got regular seasonings. Some honey. I don't know what I'm going to do with this. Maybe razzle dazzle. I don't know what this is, but it tastes good and it smells amazing. Garlic and pepper. This is a staple. And I got pepper. And I got salt somewhere. And Olive Garden. I said an Olive Garden. What the heck? I always do that when I say olive oil. Extra We have extra virgin olive oil. Got my pan. And I'm going to just cook. I never made this meal before. And I'm starving. I'm hungry. Yeah, y'all about to see me cook. So welcome to Dymond Azania cooking. Let's get it. Got the shrimp. So... Oh, okay. I just got the shrimp and what is this? Olive Garden. I keep saying an Olive Garden. And olive oil with some. This is like fresh cracked pepper. I can't talk. This is about to be the funniest tutorial to cook. I love parsley, so we're gonna add a little bit of parsley. I'm gonna add more at the top. Parsley is a good decorator for food, if that makes sense. When you want to add some color and make your food look like it's something. That. And then I'm going to add... I have to be careful with this. Let me put it in my hand because this comes out really... This is garlic and pepper. This is Chef Paul, I can't say his name, Magic Seasoning Blends. It's a black and redfish season. This is dash. You gotta be careful because the holes are big, so you just go in. Some Old Bay. Baltimore, we love Old Bay. I love Tabasco. It actually adds really good. And a drop of honey. I'll be back when I got it sizzling in the pan. Look at that. I'm actually going to get a close-up, but I got the pan rolling. But it's seasoned so well. Let me mix it up some more. I'm just letting it marinate. I added some purple onions, white onions, and peppers. And green onions as well. And it just smells so good. Oh my God! Look at this. This is well seasoned, man. I cannot wait to see what this tastes like. So let's dump it in there. Ooh. Get all the extra seasonings out. So this is all the juices and the butter and the honey. Sorry for the weird angle. What I'm about to do now is cut up more onions, like purple and white onions, because that's my favorite. And then saute them in there. And I might actually put the shrimp back, add the spinach, and then put it on top of the pasta. I just realized that. Finger pasta. This is the pasta I'm using. And I'm going to season this up really good too because I ate it by itself and it's kind of bland. Yeah, so here's the pasta. I'm on my plate. I'm hungry. It's actually more pasta, but this is the finished product. Let's taste it. This is the plate. Yes, it's a lot of pasta, but it's like less. All right, Dons and Gems, I made it to the studio. We are at Dymond Fit Studio in Catonsville or Woodlawn with my friend. Today he's on the class, Terry. He's doing his Baltimore club dancing class. This venue is gorgeous. So they normally use it for dances, dance classes, parties, engagements, all of that. Like, this is dope. What up, what up, what up? You already know I gotta represent. Have fun. But yeah, this is what's happening today. Let me go sit down so the lady can sweep the floor. But I am excited. Hopefully I don't get copyrighted. Okay. Get it? Hey. Get it? Get it? Hey. Yes. Yeah. Okay. Yes. Body pop. Hey, hey, hey. Up. Yes. Okay. You look like you worshiping Jesus. You want to worship him. Yes, body. Hallelujah. Yes. He's rocking off. Okay, footwork.
Over, down, nope, don't put your foot down back there. Yep, come on, one more time. 5, 6, 7, step, nope, 5, 6, 7, and a step, nope, jump, look, watch this, jump, yep, good job, 5, count, usually counts 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, right, 5, 6, so let me see which area here. Yeah, now take it back. All right.
Come on, Jess. 1, 2, 3, now left. Jess. Now work for the big girls, not bang. Rotate for me, rotate for me. Hands up like y'all. Right, back, right, back, right. Here we go. Hey. Good job, finish.
Rock, slide, switch. 1, 2, 3, go left, back, right, back, up, back, down, back. Watch out for the big girls. Now back, rotate for me. Hands up like y'all.
I said it's Lil Man. Who else? 93rd. Who else? Team Lil. Who else? Let's go. Bitch, something by far like a name Rick. Got ass like a mama and a auntie. Get down ride like Bunny. Why not make it break up other times? Strip touch, get a pat. Let's go. Let a girl loose. Rock, slide, twist. 1, 2, 3, go left, back, right, back, up, back, down, back, go. Watch out for the big girls. Now bang, bang, bang. Rotate for me. Hands up like y'all. Ladies,
tryna ruin it like who that? I play with these words, I do that. Damn. They say I'm driving them crazy. I'm the shit that you already